All right, welcome back. Day number 102. Today we didn't take any trades. I was bullish. So daily is going up. So this looks bullish to me. And the 12-hour, we had already touched this order block right here, this 12-hour order block. So it made sense for me that we would go higher, especially at the time we were trading at around this area. And the 4-hour closed bullish right here. So you got this high, you got this low, then it breaks. So technically, this is like a huge order block. Then you got this low. This 4-hour for value gap gets respected, breaks this high just barely, but breaks it. So I was expecting, maybe a touch on this order block right here, and then we would go higher, which is like this high right here. And I said, okay, worst case scenario, we get a reaction from the 1-hour order block. Then we started to move higher. We ended up breaking structure on the 15-minute, barely no reaction here. At this point on this candle right here, this looks bullish, right? This looks like it's going to touch this at most and then go higher. At this point, I saw that we've touched this high right here. That is like a 1 hour. Yeah, that's an 1 hour high. I see that we touched this high. They actually meant to mark it here. I see that we've touched this high, so I'm waiting here. I'm waiting for price to go either to this for value gap, which I had marked, either to this for value gap right here, which we went to here, and then we closed here. So now I was waiting for a break of structure. I wanted this order block and for value gap to give me a break of structure. So now I was waiting for a break of structure. And the reason I didn't enter immediately right here on this fair value gap with the order block was because at that point when we were reaching there, which is here, we flipped bearish on the 1 minute. So I didn't want to long a bearish structure on the 1 minute, even though everything else was looking bullish. I didn't want to long it. Also, there was no setups on the 1 minute, so I'm okay not taking that. I know that this I know that this order block got respected, and you could say, oh yeah, you could have taken a trade to here, maybe to this gap, but again, the other time frames were saying bullish, so I didn't want to risk taking the short strike here. So ended up waiting. 5-minute close bearish right here. So I was waiting for a possible flip of structure, which we might have now, but I'm not going to trade it because I think it's too late into the session. So you got this flip right here. And okay, at this point, I'm just saying, okay, now the 15 minutes looks like trash. What do I need to look for? So for me to turn bullish again, price would need to reverse this whole move again, back to here, all the way back to here, close above it, and only then I could execute on longs, because the 1 hour now is bearish. So even if the 15-minute turns bullish, and the 5-minute turns bullish, and the 1 minute should be bullish now, not yet, I still have the 1 hour trend against me, and this could just be a catalyst to pull back to this order block and then go lower. That said, I didn't take any trades, so I just decided to leave it here. I'm going to the gym, and I see you guys on Monday for day number 103.